What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I hope everybody's having an awesome day. I'm a little late to the party, whatever. But anyway, for people that don't know, XMR or Monero has switched over to a new algorithm, and it's called Random X. They've been talking about this for a while, and what it did is basically kick all GPUs, ASICs, FPGAs, everything off of the network for now. It says it's going to be like that forever. I don't know. Maybe it will. But what that means is a lot more increased profitability for your CPUs. So let me just type in a couple common CPUs. I have a Ryzen 7 1700, and MoneroBenchmarks.info will give you some of the Random X CPU benchmarks. But a Ryzen 7 1700 benchmarks at around 5300 hashes. So if you go on to What to Mine and type in 5300 hashes, and that was at, does it say the wattage? Yeah, 112 watts. You're looking at making, or you're going to make 57 cents a day. You're going to burn 27 cents. You're going to profit 30 cents a day on a CPU that's now, 4 or 5 years old, which is actually pretty impressive. Now, if you go to some of the bigger boy CPUs, for example, let's see here, AMD Ryzen 3900X is 1400 and 1,400 and no, is that 14,000? I can't even talk. Sorry guys, it's super late, so I don't want to be too loud, but I did want to get this video out. Anyway, Ryzen 3900X is 14,000. Let's see what that is, 14,360, and I'm guessing the wattage is going to be more. I don't know. Let's just say like 200 watts. Might be more than that. But that the 3900X is making $1.53 a day. That CPU is making $1 a day. That's impressive comparing to the rest of the market and mining on anything else. Let's see what else we got up here. We got any Intel stuff up here? Is this all Ryzen 3950X, Ryzen 9, Ryzen. Let's see what a 9900K. Ouch. Okay, you're only gonna get 2,000 hashes out of a 9900K. That's not so great. So 9900K is 21 cents a day. So that's better than what it was, but yeah, it still looks like Monero is going to be dominated by AMD CPUs. I mean, what is it, 9980? Is that it, 9980? That's got 4,000 hashes. But still, that doesn't even come anywhere close to an AMD CPU. I just fired my rig downstairs up on Kudo Miner, and they have the Random X algorithm already. So if you're not familiar with getting it set up, I'm going to do a setup video coming up here soon. But you can just actually go and download Kudo Miner. There'll be a link down below in the description, and your CPU will be able to run on there. This one's doing a burn-in. I just clicked it on, so it doesn't show any stats like projected revenue. It's showing my Ryzen 7 at 3.4 kilohash, so that's about 1,500 short of what it should be. Oh, it's offline. I might need to go downstairs and check on it. But yeah, it was showing it to be down a little bit, which now it's actually the whole rig's down. So I'm going to go check on that, make sure everything's good. I was actually wondering if maybe I had some potential overheating problems. Unrelated to mining, it's just when I assembled that rig, it's been a long time. I've had the cooler on and off of it, and I might need to go check my thermal paste, just in case. Because I haven't done much CPU mining on that in a while, but now it seems like it might be worthwhile. 50 cents a day off of Ryzen 7, I'll take that. Anyway, guys, y'all have a good night. Take it easy. I'll see you on the next one, and yeah, keep on mining.